Hey, Alexa's Love Beauties and Flawless Man. So let's talk about how to add oil to your car. I need an oil change, but I haven't gotten one yet, and that's okay if you are someone that keeps up with the oil changes. Now, the way that you'll know what kind of oil you need is going to be right here, and it'll let you know, if you need a 5W30, 5W40, and that's where the oil is actually going to go. And then also you'll have a dipstick somewhere on your car that you'll be able to tell how much oil that you have in there. So make sure the car is off before you do this. But as you can see, my oil is full. So I was checking the oil before I went to the store, and I don't need any oil right now. And then you just want to wipe that off, and you want to dip it back and forth like a few times just to make sure that you're getting an accurate read. On your dipstick, it's going to have minimum and maximum. You want the oil to be to the maximum. So the next time I drop it in, I kind of wiggle it a little bit to make sure that I'm getting a good oil read. And mine is full. So at this time, I do not have to do anything. So I'm still going to show you, how you would safely pour your oil in. Again, make sure that the car is off, and you can get like a little funnel. And then again, wherever it is on your vehicle where it has like your oil part, you'll go ahead and take that off. You want to make sure the car is off, because sometimes that can be smoking and hot, and that's just not safe. I wish I can clean it there, but I can't. So you just want to put your funnel in, and then you'll pour the oil directly in. Now, if you do have to, put oil in your car, then, based on how many quarts that you need and based on how much you need, then you'll go based off of that. But, don't go too long without an oil change, but I could wait just a minute.